one of America's most powerful factories, has been left to history. This is the Bethlehem Steel plant in Lackawanna, New York. Once one of the most powerful industrial sites in the United States, it produced steel that shaped the skyline of New York City. Today it sits abandoned, but its legacy still towers over the nation. Bethlehem produced structural steel for some of New York's most iconic landmarks: the Empire State Building, the Chrysler Building, and the George Washington Bridge. These weren't just buildings, they were engineering breakthroughs, and steel made them possible. But this factory didn't only serve New York, its steel traveled across the country, fueling massive infrastructure projects. It was used in bridges in San Francisco, railroads, ports, and power plants, helping connect and power an entire nation. During World War II, Bethlehem Steel became critical to the US war effort, not by making rifles, but by producing the steel behind everything else: warships, aircraft carriers, armor plate, the backbone of American military production. In its time, this factory was the heart of American industry. Today, only rust and silence remain. But its steel remains the foundation of cities, bridges, and history. If you like abandoned places, subscribe for more.